Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a housing seal, and housing seal is a very important part of a hydraulic pump project. And this is a symbol of hydraulic pump project, and all one by one all part is a drawing here. This is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is a right view, and this is a isometric view, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, let's start drawing this body. And this is a drawing here, how to this body is drawing easily and clearly. And this is a perfect and correct. And this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, let's start here this body's design. Okay, at first select a part, and going to some setting is very important. At first setting is this is a plain white, and this is a going to option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry is line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, this is a drawing here. All dimension is mentioned here. At first select a plane is a front plane is better. And select a front plane, and at first some construction line is a drawing here because this is a reference line, and this line is very important. And drawing a circle at first. At first drawing a circle is a this. And mention dimension is a this is a this is a 47.70. This is a drawing here 47.70. And 23.85 multiplied 2 is always perfect. And this is a 23.85 multiply 2 is always perfect, is a 47.70. And this line is a distance between this is a gap is a 15.04 is perfect because this is a 15.04, and this distance is a diameter, and this is a length is a center 15.04, and this is a 47.70. This is a perfect and correct. And at first select a mirror, and this body is a select here, and going to this select a reference line is this. And and connect to this point to this. And also this is a mirror, this select this line, and this is a this. This is a perfect and correct. And some trim command is used here, power trim, and some extra portion is delete here. This is a delete because this is delete here. And this is a perfect and correct. All is a perfect. Line is better, and this line and this line is also tangent. All is perfect. and going to extrude boss base is a okay, and again select use a offset command, and offset command is select here this line, and this is a offset is a 3 millimeter, and okay 3 millimeter, and direction is a reverse, direction is reverse is better, and okay, okay, and this is a perfect and going to extrude boss base, and this is a 2.2, is this is a thickness is a 2.2 is better, because this is a thickness is 2.2 and this is a 2.2 is perfect and correct. Okay, and okay, this is a housing seal is perfect drawing here, and color is a select a black color, because housing seal is also black color is looking perfect and going to this isometric view. Okay, this use a housing seal is perfect and correct okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learner easily and clearly. Okay, okay guys, thank you.